What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this is just going to be a quick video for my people out there that do Goodwill retail arbitraging. So basically, I've been getting this crap ton of stuff 100% free today, guys, from the Goodwill. So if you are not using the Goodwill's reward card, use the Goodwill's rewards card, guys. I cannot stress that enough. You're losing out on so much money. Basically, what you want to do is you want to go on a day that you get an extra percentage off, whether you're a senior or a student or whatnot. So for me, that's Friday, right? So I'll go in on Friday, I'll get 10% off, and then I'll buy items that are 50% off already, with the regular store or whatever. So now we're at 60% off, and then on top of that, I'll use the store credit to buy those items that are already 60% off. So now that little $5 or however much you got in store credit really goes a very long way, and I know a lot of people like, oh man, you spend $1,000 and you get $50, you're not really gonna make much money, you're not gonna get much money back. Guys, it adds up. Like, I showed you guys the game, if you follow me on Facebook anyway, I showed you guys the game I bought for $3, literally $3 at the Goodwill, and it sold for $48, and I walked away with 40 something dollars profit. Not bad, right? And I got it from the Goodwill. If I had used that the Goodwill's credit or whatnot, I would have got that 100% free, and now that little $5 just turned into like $50, right? I mean $40. Not bad, right? Now you see that, now that makes sense. Oh, okay, yeah, that's working now, right? So you can buy literally DVDs, video games, what do they call them? Hell do you call them? Little board games, like just random stuff throughout the aisles, whatever it is, right? And if it's 50% off, normally everything in the Goodwill is normally under like $8, right? So you're going in there and you're buying brand new stuff for $8, right? Like, not bad. I even bought something from the Salvation Army, for $7, and it sold for $90 today. Guys, do not sleep on these thrift stores. Like, they are like making an absolute killing out here, But yeah, just wanted to make this quick video for my people out there that go out and do retail arbitrage at the Goodwill. So quick recap: spend money, obviously. Get get your store credit and stuff like that. It takes like 7 to 10 days for your credit to get onto your account or whatever. And then like on the days you only want to use your store credit, at least me anyway, this is what I do. I only use the store credit on items that are 50% off. It really does make a difference. What I mean, like in my head, it just, that $5 just goes a lot longer, so if I spend it on, let's say 5 DVDs or something like that, and each DVD is worth like $5 or $10 brand new. Now that $5 just turned into what, like 25, $50 or something like that. So again, it really adds up, and you're walking into the store and you're not having to pull out your own credit card or your own debit card or your own cash or nothing. You just walk in. You want to use your store credit? Yeah. Oh, okay. Boom. You just walk out and you didn't even pay for anything. It was free, and it's not like you did anything different. It's like if we go into Walmart right now and we spend $500 or $1,000 or $2,000 or $10,000 in Walmart right now, how much money we're gonna get back? Not a goddamn thing, right? So guys, don't sleep on the Goodwill. But that is pretty much it. We got to go do some more retail arbitrage. I'm actually about to get ready and go inside this Walmart right here. I'm actually looking for this particular item, see if they got it. If not, I mean, it is what it is. But yeah, don't sleep on the Goodwills, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you got any questions, simply drop them down below.